Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be doing a DIY installation of a real Alcantara steering wheel cover on the GTI. This company reached out on Instagram and was like, they've got some Alcantara covers for the car if I'd be interested in doing a video. At first I declined because I've already got a video of one of these and I've actually got one installed on the car already, but that is a synthetic suede one, so the material is pretty cheap, whereas this is actual Alcantara, so you can feel the difference straight away. This is super soft, whereas the other one just feels a bit fake. So yeah, from memory, it's a pain in the ass to install, so I'm not looking forward to that. But in this video, we're going to give it a go, and I'm excited to see what the final product will look like, because I can already tell this one is so much better quality just from feeling it. But anyway, this is the box it comes with. It comes with some instructions. This is the Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, if you want to follow them. The instructions are fairly generic. It's literally a case of wrapping this around your wheel, getting some of the thread that they provide. They give you panel tool, some double-sided tape, 2 lots of thread, so that's more than enough. And you get one of these rings to like smooth out the thread. I didn't use this last time, so we'll see if we need to use it this time. But yeah, it's literally a case of tucking it in. The hardest bit I found last time was tucking it in behind the buttons. We'll have a go again. Hopefully, now that I've done it once, I should be able to do it a bit better. But yeah, came wrapped in this. But yeah, let's go and install it. We'll have to remove the other one first and then have a go at installing it. But yeah, let's get into it. So this is a cover that I've got on at the moment. This has been on for a year now. I think exactly a year. I got it last November. And as you can see, the suede on the side is starting to discolor. You can see it quite badly over there. It's faded. And obviously the top is glossy carbon, which is fine. But I think this looks a bit tacky because of the shine. So hopefully with this one, which is all Alcantara, it will be a lot better. And if I hold up, if I put it against there, you can actually see the difference. And you can honestly feel the difference straight away. So first thing is to take this one off. I will cut that off and then we will begin fitting this. Alright, so first thing you want to do is remove the paddles if you've got a DSG car. And basically what it is, this screw literally just sits through this and this. So you want to get a screwdriver or some pliers. I used a screwdriver, and you literally just push it down like that, take the pin out, and then the paddle will just come off like so. Alright, so I managed to put it on the wheel and I've tucked in that side. Haven't done that side. I've tucked in the bottom. I'm going to start with this side. I'm going to do that side, and then do that one afterwards. Start by just putting it in here. And at the start, you want to go through every single hole. And then once you get to about halfway, you can start missing a hole. So do one, miss one, do one, miss one. I'm going to carry on like that. And then hopefully it should fall into place. Alright, so I've done this side. I've left it there because I'll finish that off at the end. Now I'm going to start this side. So I'll leave it untucked first and then start stitching. Once I've got to about there, then I'll tuck it in. And then hopefully finish up that side. And then we'll have the whole bottom bit complete. Alright, so I've got the needle. I've got about an arm's length of thread to do this bit. It's better to have extra than run out. And what I do is double up the thread, so it will be 2 together, purely just because it's thicker and it will look a bit stronger, I think, as you can see there. And then you want to get the ends on this side and literally just do a knot so that it doesn't come out. Like that. And then just put it together. So now the needle's not coming out and it's ready to go. And like I said before, so I'm going to keep it untucked. I'm going to come in from behind at the starting point, right there, and then go in. So I'll leave this running and then we'll see how it comes out. I'm going to put it all the way through. And now that it's through, I'm just going to cut the ends off over here. Now that I've done a few here with every single hole, I'm going to start missing one. So now I'm going at the back, I'm going to miss one and go in. And then same thing coming forward, I'm going to miss one on this side. I'm going to miss that one and come in through that one. Like that. What I'm going to do now is I've done a little bit here, but to avoid the creases here, I'm going to start tucking in over here where I can. You want to avoid going in like that as well. You want to try and get behind the tool, behind the panel trim, and then slide it in if possible. Just like that. So I put in a little bit just to avoid the creasing, but now we'll carry on with the threading. Okay, so I've just finished this side now. Done that, as you can see, started off. Got there. This one was a bit tricky in this edge over here. As you can see, I need to put some of the double-sided tape that they provide just to stick that bit up. But these little things, I'm going to try and do the whole thing and then I'll worry about these little bits after. I think I can get rid of some of the creases by tucking in some more behind this. But so far, so good. Now time for the top bit. For this, I recommend turning the wheel around. Okay, so doing this corner was kind of tricky. So you need to keep a lot of pressure, but I've done up to here and it's looking good. It's feeling tight now. What I'm going to do is spin the wheel around so it's easier to do, and then I will carry on. Alright, so what I've done now is put a bit of that double-sided tape, which is here, and I've just put it underneath here and pushed it down, so now it's flat. And as you can see, that is, the corner's done. I've done the same thing here, and then same thing on the top that side, and on the top that side. It's done. This one was actually a lot better fitting than that. I spent at least 6 hours trying to fit that one, whereas this one I've done in probably 3 hours. But I'm pretty happy with the way it's turned out. It feels really nice and it looks really good. I believe the Club Sport S GTI comes with this as standard. If I could pick anything different, what I would have is a center stripe here done in red, but I think I will try and buy a new one to put on. But there we have it. Alright guys, so if you do want to buy one of these, you can use my code for I think 5% or 10% discount. I'll leave it in the description below and put it on screen now. But use that, it's on AliExpress. You can customize different things. So if you want different color stitching, you can choose what color stitching. You can choose what color Alcantara. This was dark gray with red stitching. You can have black, blue, red, anything. So yeah, go and check it out. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below or DM me on Instagram and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. That's been it for this video and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.